$1.50 per taco.
What do you want? Do you want this?
Yes, put some of the pickled onions.
Which salsa do you want?
Not the hot sauce. I don't want hot. Long ago in a little port city called Ensenada, something super tasty was born. Every morning, fishermen brought fresh fish to the market by the sea called the Mercado Negro. The air smelled like salt and ocean, and people came to eat something warm and delicious. One day, someone had a clever idea. They took a fresh piece of fish, dipped it in a light, fluffy batter, and deep fried it until it turned golden brown and crunchy. Then they placed it on a warm corn tortilla. On top, they added crunchy cabbage, creamy white sauce, and a little spicy salsa. That was the very first fish taco. Some say this batter idea came from Japanese fishermen who lived there a long time ago and shared their special tempura style cooking. On our last one, we're gonna be checking out Tacos Fénix. Now this is a legendary place known for fish tacos. So right there, you can see she's putting on the battered fish, and she's already starting to fry it in there.
So what do you want?
Fish tacos only. So look at all these toppings you can do. Such options here. And they got like pickled onions over there. They got limon. We're gonna pay right now. 200. Okay, let that all get in there, the flavors. What else can we put? See? Is that spicy here?
I don't know.
I'll put a little bit. Let's see. Just on one. Okay.
Put a little bit on
How colorful that is.
Yeah.
All right. So now we're gonna make our way, see if we can find a table. That is a problem. There is no table. If you visit Ensenada, people will tell you to stop at Tacos Fénix, which opened in the 1970s. Many locals believe this is where the famous but half fish taco was born. Right across the street is another stand called Tacos Corona, and people love to try both to pick their favorite. Not everyone agrees exactly who made the very first fish taco. Some say it might have started in San Felipe, but most people agree that Ensenada made it famous, especially near the fish market. We came all the way to Ensenada for this, plus El Güero. So, fish tacos, here we go. Oh my God, that is so good. Oh. The mayonnaise, the cabbage, the pickled onions, pico de gallo, the batter on that fish, just on point. The tortilla is holding up. Hot. I'm gonna dab some of this lime here, just to give some of that extra flavor. Guys, absolutely good food here in Mexico. You gotta come to the right spots though. We have fish tacos at home, but nothing compares. Yes. Oh man, all those toppings, they all come together. Good to the last leg. Today, thousands of people visited to try fish tacos right where they began. You can walk from Tacos Fénix to Tacos Corona, smell the ocean, and taste history in every crunchy bite. The story of the fish taco lives on, not in a history book, but in every warm, crispy, delicious taco.